Hey dude, it's me again. I finally got my Titanic tomorrow. It's Christmas Eve. Well, not Christmas Eve, Christmas Eve. I'm excited. I already opened it. So I'll show you what I look there. You guys. Look at that. Humongous model. You alright, baby? What are you doing, little bee? Look how big that is. It's beautiful, man. I love it. Big parts too. Yeah, this is my, let's see, 1, 2. Hold on, see something right here, guys. You alright, baby? Want to see my kitty guys?
Say hey, little bee. Meow.
Alright, go ahead. Go play. Alright. Yeah, let me cat. This, I don't know, I haven't looked in directions yet. I'm my wrist about to give out now. But I have a feeling it's going to be pretty tough. But you never know. I mean, it's my first big model. You alright? You knocked yourself out already. You already done it today. Yeah, there it is. Two of them in here. Hold on a second. The other. It's heavy. The other bits. Parts tree. Huh? If you want to sit down there, go ahead. You don't have to come back here sometimes. Alright, yes, this is the railing. Right there. Alright, get focused. There you go. No, sorry. That's the railing. I think it's flexible. Or maybe not. There's the ladders. Stairs, you know. That's the back of the Titanic. And there's the pieces. So you can see everything. There's the funnels right there, I believe. Yeah. Alright. Here's the other one. It decks. Forecastles, the poop deck. They don't own that. I think there's an F-foil deck or something. I appreciate you if you get off the table. Taking my bed. Thank you. Sorry, baby. I love you, but here we go. Here's the stand. Alright. Here's the nice part of the little resistance. Look at them posts. That's the gosh, what you call it? Let me think of it. What's the name of it? Funnels, yeah, there, bleh, I think of it. See all these little holes? And for the rigging, it is right here. It goes on all, it's just for all the funnels. Here's the brass post. We got the parts tree. The ship. Yeah. Kitty, you gotta get down. Here's my favorite part of the whole ship. The thing that makes it turn, but it makes me mad because it hit. Stop it! Get out of here. Get out of here! Here's the thing that, I think you can glue it on. Alright, did you mind? I don't know if you speak my language because you're talking. I'm kind of like a, what you call it, French voice or something, Spanish. Here's an instruction book. Give me a second. Let me look at the instruction book. I ain't looking at it yet. Oh, I forgot to show you this. Here's the decals.